Rolling.
You gotta actually go to the track. Whatever. I don't mind milking nobody. Element O. It's right here.
Pick out my favorite book by Igor. My friends and I are gods, read the report. Building sand mansions at the seaport. Thank you, fly middle finger to you seagulls. Reruns of Seinfeld, call it syndication. I love a book where my boy, he likes some variation. Let's see the bass player playing in the basement. I'm the token black rapper and my band playing. Not too much eye contact, the one to be aggressive. The darkest person in the room, yet the least depressive. Like Chomsky was right, I think I learned my lesson. Stay off the internet, no need to be connected. My online friends, they never kick it with me. Don't even hit my inbox when they come into the city. They always need that advice, like how you get? She's so pretty, like right. Your flow is nice, but they won't listen. It's a pity, like nigga, what you rapping for? Huh? You ain't got a baby girl on the way. You ain't never been zone independent. What you represent, nigga? You ain't gay, like nigga, what you rapping for? Huh? You don't even really even live in the hood. You went to college out of state, what you represent, nigga, tell a nigga what's good, like
I'm not acting like I'm humble, but people said, why you rap when you don't feel the struggle? Well, listen to my rebuttal that you're thinking in the bubble, cause my mind is on everyone since we all have to hustle. Now, hip-hop artists, let's get in a huddle and start to realize that we in trouble, cause music made a fumble. And we need to escape from this rubble, cause it's all loud yet subtle. That ideas are old as tumbleweeds, and we need to rise and achieve. Cause it's like, if artists don't smoke that weed or ambitions ain't made of greed, the record won't be received. Teaching kids how to write and read. So listen to the boy from Park Slope, raised with a flappish state of mind, out to give the people hope. Like,
nigga, what you rapping for? Huh? You ain't got a baby girl on the way. You ain't never been zone independent. What you represent, nigga? You ain't gay, like nigga, what you rapping for? Huh? You don't even really even live in the hood. You went to college out of state, what you represent, nigga, tell a nigga what's good, like
yo, what are you rapping for, alright? What are you doing, man? We trying to make it out here, we trying to hustle. You live in a nice environment. What are you really rapping for, huh? You don't have to dodge bullets, you dodge air, alright? You don't have to deal with the same stuff we're dealing with. Why are you gonna rap, huh? What are you doing? What's your nice ass doing rapping? Tell me, bro.